For a man who sounds so angelic, you sure be talking about hoes. I don't know what they say. Robots. Hey sailors, what's good with y'all? It's your boy Valdez. Thank y'all for tuning in. And today we're back. Oh, hold up, it's about to rhyme. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're back reacting to some Yabujin. First discovered this artist through our international artist video. Very interesting individual to say the least. I think you guys said that he has like he inspired some of the artists that we already react to on the channel already. So yeah, like I said, it was cool to kind of stumble upon them, and you guys been recommending me to dive deeper, or I was gonna say delve. Damn, it would have sounded nice if I pulled it off. Deeper into his content and see more of what he's about. I react to I think like another single from him, but all you guys recommendations was actually for a project of his, which is called Early Works Bootleg. Now, from my history of reacting to music, when the art looked like it was made in Microsoft Paint, you know, like someone was like on a lunch break and bored and their phone didn't have no servers or something like that. When you usually have that type of artwork, you know, it's usually crazy. Now, if this is like a religious, holy thing from his homeland that I'm disrespecting right now, then I'm but it's not. What? I'm not understanding this. So this is like a so it's a lot of his early work. So you said as the name implies, a collection of early works that Yabujin has made. Very good, however, very unique. Alright, well, we're gonna do it. If I get a copyright strike, man, bail me out. Yeah, man, that's what we're getting to today. But before we get into it, just want to remind y'all, man, make sure you guys leave a like, help the channel out, subscribe, join the gang, and turn notifications on so you guys don't miss a video. Also, while you're at it, check out the other medias, man. We'll be streaming on the Twitch. We got a Discord. We got the merch. It's just fire. I don't got it on right now, but it's fire. We got Discord. We got Instagram. We got all that good stuff down below. Definitely go check it out. And yeah, let's get into some Yabujin Early Works Bootleg. Let's get it. This is the first track. It's called it's called Hex FF81K. I'm trying to learn how to dance to this. No. Hey. It's like a baby who put lean in they breast milk or something. It's like a lullaby type. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like put like a spell or something's going on, bro. I mean, like, what do you can't, I mean, the vocals and, I mean, everything sounded smooth. What you, I don't know what to call that. That was like a chant. That was, yeah. That was alright. I mean, it's nice, nice. Here we are with the second song. This is Fantasy and Mana. Oh, Fantasy and Mana. It's like, yeah, y'all know I'll be in that game like, I know what I'm talking about. Mana, that's like, your magic bar or whatnot. Say I'm lying. That's facts. I know about game stuff. Hey. Hey. Like a foul club track, bro.
stage, not fuck I can be. Got your Gucci on her knees, mayonnaise on the knee. Killing demons, spark speed, doing drugs up on the seas. You can see what I can see as a rose where it be. Holy night, keep it light, driving on the night sky. Ice and sight, getting money in the daylight.
That's hard. That's hard. So you always got that kind of like spirit voice, like he's speaking to you from like your conscience. That's hard. That's like cloud stuff. It's okay. That's that cloud fluff. Riding through the city and you know I'm riding deep. Riding through the city and you trying to come with me. Gotta come with me. Well, you gotta pay your fee. Cause riding around with me, yeah, you know that ain't free. But the style ain't. And the style costs a price. Already know cause the style too nice. Already know cause the style's too nice. Already know cause the style's too. That's crazy. I mean, it kind of like I was thinking, I was like, that's kind of crazy to go to have that and go from track number 1 to that. But I mean, it kind of still had, like I said, it has like his voice is like, it's like from other world. So it kind of still had a element of the same vibe. But this one, man, it's rapping and it's sounding blues. And the beat was going crazy, fancy. I like it. That's nice. I like it. All right, the next track is Kendo Thugs. Kendo. What's Kendo? Kendo stick. That's a weapon. Kendo. Who knows? Let's go. Hey. Said. Hey.
Ain't no pistol in my pocket, let me tell you where do I begin. Creeping with the devil's what I do and you will never win. It's just a grim. I ain't got no hoe as well. Pass the blunt, I might as well. Hell, ain't no bitch will get me higher than this kush from hell.
That's a crazy thing to say in a song, though. That's crazy.
Ain't no pistol in my pocket, let me tell you. Demons with their face protect me, all they need is just a grim. I ain't got no hoe as well. Pass the blunt.
Oh, I don't got no hoe, or do you say I ain't got no hoes? I mean, anyway, but yeah, alright, that's what's up though.
Ain't no bitch will get me higher than this kush from hell. I will buy that shit for 10, but for 15 I sell. Ain't no problems in my life right now, but only time will tell. Got a message on my phone, it's my homies asking what I do. Get some money, break no bone, and I never act a fool. Go outside, open the door, meet those players, what it do? Sitting, sipping 40 speeds like Coleman, I ain't never blue.
These guys have got like a nice little like melody, like it's like a throwback. Maybe on another level. Hey, this guy. I'm crazy. That reminds me of some SoundCloud throwback retro, like that used to be like a style, like a lot of people. I don't know, but it definitely reminds me of something. It gives me nostalgia. I like it. It was kind of soothing almost. Here we are, the next track. This is MEREANA. We're gonna give it one more attempt, and we're just gonna go with it. MEREANA. MORDEGARD, GLESGORV. Dang, that's not even a Y. That's a V at the end. That's Gorv. I don't know. But alright, y'all, let's get it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, listen. Hey, yo. What is that? Oh, wow. Kind of hitting. That beat, that bass, bro. That'll probably blow out a car speaker. Dang. I don't know what that was. I don't know for what reason, but hold up. don't know why, bro. I don't know. So, alright, y'all hear the next track? This is 8888 each Divinity. Parenthesis, 0.5%. Alright. Okay.
I see blood up in my hands and my angel on the smooth. Gatekeepers by my side, as the Roy's what I choose. Ice cold in the ice, never die, live forever. As the Roy's never be, I'm trapping in the end. I'm an angel with no wings, only night with no feathers. Always with a boat, I'm the king that I ever even need a hope. Girls on my neck, prince of the ocean. Trapping in the forest, so it's starting in my motion. Doing what I want. Trapping on the sun, silver till the bone. I'm an angel with it, pound it, pound it. Angel in the skies, beaming in the skies.
Hey.
Living how I want, free of all your lies. Angel in the skies, beaming in the skies. Living how I want, free of all your lies.
That's hard. Man has like his own like style of like rapping. It'd be like magical rap. Magical raps. That sounds interesting. It's very different, and then he'd be switching it up with also like his singing. Like that was I dig it. So yeah, that was the most replayed song. So maybe that was the most liked song. Next track is called KETUIJI. 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 I probably said that right too. Let's get it. Hey. I like samples though. There's no. Hey. I don't know what they say. I explained it, bro. Give me like expert Dance Dance Revolution vibe. Tempo crazy. Hey. Hold on. That's hard. I'm just trying to see if I can keep up with that song. That song is tough, man. I don't know if that was him. Is that him? Maybe it was him. I don't know what they were saying in the song. Let's find out what they're saying in the song, man. So apparently no one knows the what man's is saying right there. So I mean, but that's cool though. I mean, like I said, it was like a looped sample. And it kept getting faster in tempo, so like I said, I'll be crazy like to like try to dance to, even though I successfully did it. But alright. I dig it. Man's style is ever so changing. Alright, this is the next song. This song is called Hardstyle Drill 2009 Nokia Angels with a Z. 1.6. I don't know what that is at the end, bro. Let's get it. What?
Nokia blade and try to get Nokia blade and try to get
And that goes to it, like just like the remixing of like the vocals and whatnot. With like his voice glitching out into, and like also like the reverb, you know, the echo. Like just like the overall production of all these tracks is, it's like, I don't know. Well, I guess they said it's experimental, and they call it cloud rap. So, you know, so yeah, so I guess it's on point. It's just different. That's what I would say. The genre is different, bro. He low-key be rapping, though. He low-key be rapping. Don't be sleeping on my man Yabujin. He'll give you a bruising. If you're cruising for a bruising, you'll be losing. And don't be trying to be choosing, because in the end. Alright, here we are, the next track. This is White Crosses. White Crosses. Hold up. What do you mean by that? I don't know what the track is here. It's like, no, oh, let's get it.
Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant. Time for me to act like a psychopathic lunatic. Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant. Time for me to act like a psychopathic lunatic.
Hey.
Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant. Time for me to act like a psychopathic lunatic. Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant. Time for me to act like a psychopathic lunatic.
What's up? Bro, the beats, bro. Even though, you know, he's not rapping on, like, these are like crazy, like, instrumentals. People don't believe that I can get ignorant. Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant. They be testing your gangster, man. Something got shown inside of you. Again, man, the beat is phenomenal. The beat is really crazy, bro. I'm not just like, it's tough. So, alright, this is the next track. This is Angel with a Knife. Cloud trap. It's hard, but it's light.
Angel with a knife, trapping in the skies, yeah. I'm a folk, you're holding golden as a royal, yeah. Trapping in the heaven night, telling lies, yeah. Asian night and take away your life, yeah. Heaven cap on my feet, bitch, I'm frozen. Angel bitch on my lap, giving golden. Asian pocket knife in my katana bag. Spot a toes before I fucking fold them. Mirrors in my eyes, angel in the skies. I'm a fucking bitch before I fucking twice. She a silica, giving brain till dry. Ain't no magic in this bitch and I ain't telling lies. Beat your ass up like a leaf from Tekken. Bitch, ain't no hoes in my heaven.
If you go like Tekken, ain't no hoes in my heaven. For a man who sounds so angelic, you sure be talking about hoes. In my bed, got a zapper and I'm a heaven. Really coming over, gotta stay until like 7. Now you gotta leave because you know I got another one. Know about another one. Know I'm not having fun. Know I'm gonna shine bright, shine bright. already know what it's gonna say, so I'd rather not say. You know, say it, then you know that I'd rather not let. You'd rather not. When you can rap and sing, like you need to do both. True. So his ability to do it and be like experimental with it is really crazy. Like, here's the next track. This is Jim. What? No, that's crazy. I don't know. So it'd be like 2 Jims, right? Jim. That's interesting. JEMGEMLAH'S, GAZE, 16. That's crazy. That's interesting. Let me know. Is it Jim or is it some different pronunciation? All right. Okay.
Look into the mirror of the gaze that I watched. Low beat, super hot, death. Have you seen the treasures of faith? If you haven't, come and meet me by the
lake. Robots, bro. Hey. Like if robots stumbled upon the lean supply. And then, yeah. Alright. Alright, this is the next track. This is Pink Windows. Let's get it.
Open window for a night. I ain't come, bitch, I'm a knight. Slicing rock with a knife. Gon' get blasted with my pipe.
Hey, okay.
Open window for a night. I ain't come, bitch, I'm a knight. Slicing rock with a knife. Gon' get blasted with my pipe. I don't even see you fuckers on the other side. Last side, why you see me playing games? I'ma say good night. I'm on the point, let me stop. What you doing, smoking pot?
Hey, yo, let me stop.
Get on top. Sick of me, we'll call the cops. Well, you see, I be busy with the dealings. Saving homies, getting weed for them feelings. Open window for a night. I ain't come, bitch, I'm a knight. Slicing rock with a knife. Gon' get blasted with my pipe. Open window for a night. I ain't come, bitch, I'm a knight. Slicing rock with a knife.
With a knife.
Gon' get blasted with my pipe.
That's a smooth bop, bro. That's smooth. His little rhyme schemes and like inflections. He's gonna make me get into my musical bag, reviewer bag. Then like inflections and pockets he be choosing to like sing into rap, bro. It's really on point, low key. Like that's a song. That's a song, man. That's a song. Alright, here's the next track. It's called Gambino. Alright. Hey.
Murder like a bee. Can you get it like a bee? Holy silver ain't a hero. But you're like low zero. You don't ought to move, bloody demon never lose. Yeah, I do that what I choose. Tell your neck up to the news. Yeah, I feel like a bee. I feel like a bee. Sword up to your neck.
Hey, yo, what is it like a what?
What I do, you never get bloody murder on a set.
There you go.
I feel like a bee.
Hold up. Let's get to the bottom of this. I feel like I'm Gambi. Are you saying Gambi? Really?
And then I said, what I do, you never get bloody murder on a set. Yeah. I feel like a bee. Holy dope up on my mind.
Okay, I guess so, yeah. Alright,
Front eyes, smoking demon under eye.
Hey.
I
I feel like I'm being.
I feel like I'm being.
Okay.
I feel like
Hey.
I'm feel like a bee.
Hey.
Get it like a demon. The holy silver ain't a hero. Oh, but you like low zero. Ain't a hero.
I just know it goes crazy on some speakers. Any song with heavy bass, I can always imagine it's going. Hey, I feel like I feel like. Alright, here are the next track. This track is called Glimpse 1616. What's up with the 1616? 1.6? 116? What's up with this? Alright, let's get it. Are y'all understanding this? I understand the song.
The devil and God is a hoax. Someone believing back to the bones, to the coast, weaving back to the bones. Look after the bones, cause even they have their hopes. Juice come at human like mainland. But you never gonna that. You trash, you're living a lie. You never can be able to fly. You're living a lie because all you do is live.
It's that morning verse.
You're living a lie, you never could be able to fly. You're living a lie because
Hey, hey.
you're living a lie.
But it's like just rip the whole song. It's crazy. Like, what is this? Like, futuristic cats fighting? I don't know. Like, it's hard to describe this song. So here you are, the next song. This is lounge-ish. Hey, hey. There's gonna be like music made for like a lounge. Something like chill. So far, so far. Definitely got me in a little chill vibe. I forgot to even say something. Hey, yo. That's cool, man. That's a vibe. That's consistent little piano. I don't know, bro. I was really, that was like some lounge stuff. Definitely wouldn't mind waiting in a room with that playing. Here are the last song. This is The Art of Old Flash Dating Simulator Games. Let's get it. Okay. Hey, okay, oh hey. Okay, so this is gonna be like an instrumental type. Alright. That's cool though. It's a good little send off to a little compilation. Definitely give me like retro game vibes. Might as well let me freestyle real quick. Hey. Yeah. Valdez on the track, man. Mr. Say Less, you already know, man. Gang. If y'all in there, y'all family. As simple as that. Yeah. I said. Alright, I want to let the beat rock out. That was a good send up to the project. But that was all I was saying. Said there's an art to this like flash dating simulator games. I don't know what you thinking. But I hope we on the same page. If not, it's okay. We gotta go our own ways. It was that way in the day, like back in the day. Knew it would be this way. Knew we had to leave, can't stay. Knew we had to go our ways. Knew we had to go our ways. Knew we had to leave. Knew we had to leave. Who could believe? This is what we achieved. Hey, yo, alright, my fault. I got my singer back. Like I said, again, he had a couple of those little instrumental. This is a compilation after all, so I don't think he actually made all these tracks. But he had a couple of those instrumental tracks on here. And like I said, I don't know, a couple of videos before, I like those couple of songs, you know? Even though there's not like really like too much going on doing it, and it's just like a repeat. But again, that was just like a chill, like the name, I don't understand. It kind of, I guess it did kind of have some game vibes. The name though, can't vouch for it. But like I said, it was a chill track though, you know, nonetheless, even if it was just loot, for sure. So yeah, man, there you guys have it. That was Yabujin Early Works Bootleg. So again, this is unreleased work, so I don't know what's about to go down, but I don't know if YouTube about to come down with a hammer of thunder, because they do be on my, they be on me. But if it does not, then yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, it was a dope project all the way through. His style is so different that like you really can't get like, you can't like get still, like you can't be like, oh okay, it's kind of the same. Like every song is a trip of its own. Really interesting artist, to say the least. But his ability to be so versatile, I think is kind of what, I don't know, bro. I don't know. This picture is staring back at me. He's so experimental. Like I said, they call it cloud rap or cloud. I don't know, cloud something. I don't know. I guess I don't know, whatever you call it. I understand. Really good artist shipment throughout this whole project, and a good project overall. Here you guys have it again. That was Yabujin Early Works Bootleg. Oh, I'm gonna try to pick a favorite track. Yeah. Gotta pick a favorite track for you guys, even though, you know, it's like 1 minute after the reacting. So it's liable to change, but I'm still gonna pick a favorite track because you guys be asking about my favorite track. So let's see. Hey man, it's actually, I don't know, there's actually a few songs. So I ain't gonna be able to pick one, man. I'm gonna pick some highlights though. I'm gonna pick Pink Windows, tough song. Kendo Thugs, really, like, I ain't gonna go through and explain them all. But yeah, Pink Windows, Kendo Thugs, I really enjoy it. MEREANA, MORDEGARD, GLESGORV, kinda got it better this time. Fantasy and Mana, yeah. Those would be some of my tops. As again, this is my first listen right after, so it's liable to change. I don't know. It's hard to pick this one. So yeah, man, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think of the project down below. You guys got a favorite track, any background knowledge about the project, anything else, anything that I should know. Let me know that down below in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys want to react to next down below in the comments. I'll be reading all you guys' comments, so don't you guys hesitate to comment. Also, again, while you're at it, leave a like, subscribe, join the gang, and turn notifications on. Also, again, while you're at it, leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and check out the other medias, the Twitch, the Discord, the merch, the IG, all that stuff down below. I appreciate it. And yeah, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next time. It's been Valdez. We out.